Namaskar, hello viewers, welcome to the knowledge space section of my YouTube search channel. In this video you will learn about the website. How can we make a website, and if you are a beginner or you want to make a website, I think this is the perfect guide, a step by step guide for you. So let's begin it. How to make a website. This is a step by step guide for beginners. So first of all, we should know about the website. What is it? A website is a collection of web pages including multimedia components which are connected together in various ways, which we can call a website or simply a site, which is a group of documents that can be displayed in a web browser, or that can be read and viewed and play the multimedia through such browsers like Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Internet Explorer or Edge, or Safari browser in Apple computers. So in order to read, view and display or access these web pages, we must keep these files accessible from everywhere in the world, so which we called the web hosting, or the server where the file is kept. Then we need an address to access the websites publicly, because internet has millions of computers attached to it. In order to communicate everywhere, the computer is connected to the internet has a unique address which is called IP address. So in this system there are two types of addressing methods. One is the letter addressing system and the next one is the number addressing system. The letter addressing system is popularly known as the domain name system. That means the google.com, yahoo.com and the amazon.com. So if we want to say simply a website or the websites are groups of files interconnected through hypertext kept on servers which can be accessed through an internet-based network which is called World Wide Web or WWW. So this is the basic theory of a website. You can have first knowledge on it by searching on Google. The most important thing is the requirement to make a website. So what is the requirement we need, or we should have a PC or a laptop or a desktop, the internet access in it, a good knowledge of internet browsing system, online payment system, email operations, etc. Next, the domain name. Next, the most important thing is the hosting services, where we can keep your website files ready to visit for our visitors, like 24/7 into 365 days without any fail. So all these 5 things are most important in my list before starting to make a website. Next, how can we make a website? So there are so many ways to make a website, but first you need to define yourself, what you know actually. Are you comfortable with the coding languages, which is HTML or CSS, and the server-side languages like PHP, JavaScript, SQL, for the database linked websites, etc. If yes, then okay, you can just go for it and you can make an advanced level websites yourself. But if you don't have that such knowledge, then don't worry about it. I will lead you to your goal. So which is the easiest way? We can make our website in various ways. Either we can make it by coding ourselves, or we can make it with a content management system like WordPress, Joomla, etc. Or we can purchase or download some free templates, and thereafter we can make the changes as we like on it. Or we can just go for HTML and CSS coding, which is very time consuming. But in this video tutorial you will learn about the simple process for the beginners, that they can also make their own websites in a very easy way.